Welcome to a MainlyDIY.com video.
So I'm going to make a little shirt to hold a gift card, and I am starting out with this is just something I pulled out of a magazine. So this is great because you can use up scraps. So it's great because it's already 11 inches long, so then I'm going to cut a 5-inch strip. Okay, so I'm going to cut that so it's 5 inches wide, and it's already at 11 inches long, so that's a great start. So I'm going to take my piece and I'm going to fold it in half both ways. So I'll fold it in half that way, unfold it, and I don't need to crease these really well. These are just more or less markers for me. The reason I like to use something like a magazine is because it's a thin paper. Okay, so I'm going to flip that over. I'm going to fold 1/2 up to the middle, just like that. Okay. And then I am going to fold the long sides into the middle. And these lines are okay to crease. Okay. Then I'm going to take this edge here. This is not the edge that's folded out, but it's the other end. And I'm just going to fold out a wing just like that. And then I have a symmetrical one here on the other side. Okay. And then I am going to turn it over. And I have this little bottom edge. I'm going to turn up about a 1/4 inch. This is going to be part of the collar. You don't have to be real precise on that. Just fold it up. Then I'm going to turn the whole thing back over, and I'm going to put that 1/4 inch fold up on the top, and I'm going to make my collar. And then I'm going to take this edge here and I'm going to fold it to the middle. And I'm kind of remembering that I'm making a collar there. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make sure this point meets the other one. Take some time, get that smooth. Now I'm going to take my little handy dandy glue stick. I'm just going to put a little glue in there underneath that part of the collar. Just press it down. It makes your card holder work a little better. A little bit on this edge. So just on this, and then I'll fold that back down. Just press that down. Okay, and then I am going to take this open edge and I'm going to fold it so it just tucks up under the edge of the collar, just like that. And come down here and make a nice fold. So I have my cool little shirt made with just scraps. And I'm going to take my gift card, slide it right in there. And I can just tuck it in under the collar. If you need to, you can put a little tape. If I was going to tape it, I would tape here on the back side, just across, just a simple tape, but you may or may not want to do that. So here's my gift card, just made from scrap. You can use regular paper. That's what this one was, but it's a little bit harder to do your folds. You like a thinner paper, and I added a little bow to that. But this is terrific because you're using up trash, so can't beat that.